Hello everyone, this is Abby and welcome to the Zedity tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick overview and some basic tips on how to use the Zedity WordPress plugin free version. But first, what I'm going to do is to go to Plugins, Add New, type in Zedity, okay, and install. Okay. Afterwards, then activate. And now that we have the Zedity free version installed, we can now proceed to either our posts or pages. But for now, we can go to the post. And let's try our first page, or first content rather. Now you can see here in the editor, this icon is the Zedity editor. Click on it. Alright, so this is the Zedity editor. Now as you can see, it's very simple, having only the top menu here, which includes content, edit, add box, edit box. Now edit box is disabled because you haven't inserted any boxes yet. Once we inserted one, we can see its other functions. Okay, so first things first, let's set the content dimension. Let's tweak the width to 800 pixels. Okay, and height, let's just leave it like that. And now we can proceed in inserting whatever box we want, like let's start with color. If you notice it, this one now has its own toolbar here. Select the background color, and we can just pick one here. Okay. And there are also types, like you can make it solid or horizontal gradient, vertical or radial. Now let's try radial. Okay, that's better. And of course, the opacity or the transparency of the box. Alright, now that we've done setting the color, let's set the box border. Now here in this menu, you can tweak the width, the corners, and the transparency of the border. Alright, let's say put this one then, and you can see it better there. Okay. Also, this one, in tweaking the corners, now you can see in this part, now there are these icons here. This one represents the four corners of the box, that if you click one on this one and slide the bar, now you can see that here on these sides, their radii changed. Okay, that should be enough. And of course, also for the type of the border, you can either go dashed, groove, double, something like that. The next one that I will show you is the rotation. You can change the degree of the box to whatever you want. And then we can change the opacity of the box, which includes the whole box, like this. Or if you want only the background or the color inside, or even just the border. Okay, now this icon here is to set it as a background. It means that if you click on this one, it expands and fills up the whole content page. To remove it from the background, just go ahead and click on this one back. Alright, there you go. And the last one is the edit box, which includes arrangement, duplicate, and delete. Duplicate, very simple. You can make as many as these boxes as you want. And there. And of course, we can arrange this one and, for example, send this one to back. There you have it. Now that's the color box. Now I will show you the different boxes first. So this content will be kind of messy for now. So let's try audio. Insert either an embedded code or a URL. Now for the free version, the only supported services are the SoundCloud and Reverb Nation. Now I already prepared here, so we can just get this one copy and paste it here. Okay, and that's our audio. And just like the color box, you can drag this and place this one anywhere you want. And another common feature is the border, just like the color box, with the width, color, and style. Let's insert another box. This time, let's go for image. Click the icon here, inserting it either from the disk or from your computer or a link from the internet. For now, let's go and upload one of our own. This one, and let's say, alright, as a description, sitting dog, and image quality, normal is fine, and then click OK. So let's see some options we have here under the image box. There's this image options, wherein you can see it center, fill, fit, center, stretch, or tile. Now these options here are actually when you set this one as a background, and then you can make it either fit, center, or tile. Now in this case our image is larger, so we cannot see it that much, but if you have a smaller one and then you set it to fit or into the center, for example, you can see that the picture goes in the center of your content. And remove it from the background. Okay, let's just put it here, center and fill, so we can see the whole picture. The next one is the background color for the image. In this particular function, it is more useful if we have a PNG or a GIF. Now let me show it to you. Let's insert a PNG or a GIF with transparent background. Say this one, normal, okay. There, as you can see, it has a transparent background. And so with this one, if we apply color to it, it fills up the background with a color. Then opacity, we can tweak the transparency of the color. There. Border, just like the other two boxes, the same thing. Width and style, opacity, rotation. At this point, you should be familiar already with these functions because these usual tools here are common to all the boxes. Set as background, and then the edit box where you can arrange it, flip it horizontal or vertical, and duplicate it. Another interesting box is the video box, where here you can insert your YouTube or a Vimeo video. Just embed the code or the URL, say something like this, copy it from YouTube, go back to your post, embed, click OK. And that's your video right there. I also forgot to mention you that all the boxes can be resized, and that is by dragging the corners here or the sides of the box. With the video box, it has a border property, wherein like the others, you can adjust the width and the style. And last but not the least available box in the free version is the text box. Now, like the other editors, you can just edit and type in your text. Change its properties, like changing the font style, making it to bold or italic, and of course the color as well. You can also add a particular link within the text, like for example this one, and you put there Zedity.com. Okay, and that's your link over there. Now the style of the link, sometimes it depends on the theme you are using. First, let's move it here so we can see it. Now the available options for the text box is first the alignment, where you can align it left, center, right, or top, middle, bottom. Let's try this one here. Center, like that. Color, corners. We can also apply the border of this one. We can also apply rotation if you want, or tweak the opacity. Undo, redo functions are here at the top right. And do not forget, of course, to save your post, your content. For now, let's keep our content like this. Save it, and let's see what happens. Now it's here. To edit back your page, you can always just click this Zedity here. If you're ready to publish your page, click on the Publish button here. Otherwise, save it as a draft for now. Alright, once we published our post, now you can see it here. Now this is what we've done. Now you can now play the video and the audio. And then of course, if you want to update your content or your post, you can always do so. Alright, I will be stopping here, and for my next tutorials, I will be giving you a more specific step-by-step on how to use the different boxes. So that wraps up this video, and thank you for watching.